Apple just dropped the new MacBook Air with the M4 chip, and seriously, it has got some major updates. But is it worth your money? Let's figure it out. Let's begin with what's new. While Apple keeps the same light and thin design, what's the real magic? It's inside. You know what is the star of the show? The M4 chip. Apple's new M4 chip features a 10-core GPU and an upgraded neural engine that's up to 2x faster than M1 and 20% faster than M3. From 4K video editing to AI-powered tasks, this machine is built for speed. Let's have a look at the new features at a glance. Number 1 is the M4 chip. It handles heavy tasks like gaming, video editing, and AI processing. The next one is the dual external display support. It powers two 6K monitors plus the built-in display. Built for Apple Intelligence and macOS Sequoia, new AI tools, iPhone mirroring, and much more. Now let's talk about the performance and the battery life. Despite all that power, Apple promises 18 hours of battery life, which is 6 hours more than the Intel-based MacBooks. You can edit, stream, or work all day long without running for the charger. Let's talk about the display, design, and colors. The 500 nit liquid retina display. It's still vibrant, sharp, and ultra responsive, making it perfect for creatives and a fresh new sky blue color. Apple knows how to keep things stylish. Moving on to webcam and connectivity. Finally, Apple has upgraded the webcam to 12 megapixel with center stage, so you remain in frame for all the calls. Still no USB-A, but you get MagSafe charging, Thunderbolt 4 ports, and full support for dual external display. A first for MacBook Air. Alright, after all these discussions, let's talk about who should buy this. It is great for someone upgrading from an M1 or Intel MacBook. It's a massive performance leap. It's also great for students, professionals, and even content creators who need power and great battery life. Also for those who are super excited for the Apple Intelligence and the macOS Sequoia features. You may skip if you already have a M3 MacBook. Its speed boost up is great but not game changing. You also need more ports. No USB-A or HDMI is here. Talking of the pricing and the release date. The 13-inch MacBook Air with M4 starts at $999 in US and $899 in US for education. And the 15-inch MacBook Air with M4 starts at $1199 in US and $1099 for education. Both are available in Sky Blue, Midnight, Starlight, and Silver. So these MacBook Air models are now officially available at the stores and online dated 12th March 2025. So what's your conclusion now? Is it worth buying or not? Is it a game changer or not? Do like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if it is useful for you or not. And I will see you in the next one.